Hi, this is Young from Incheon, Korea, and I wanted to share my experience after the yesterday's oriental hospital experience with acupuncture and chuna therapy, and I feel amazing. You know, I told you like yesterday in my video that I have this shoulder, like a really tight shoulder and pain, and you know, I've been like a web developer for a long time and always working in front of computer and all that kind of lifestyle. So anyway, so yesterday I had this therapy, right? It was like now I remember more like what happened. He used some, you know, electromagnetic therapy machine, and also he developed some other machine he got patented, and also like they call like a oriental medicine, like a shot. So it's like the essence of oriental, like a herb, you know, tonic. Maybe they take out the essence from that kind of nutrition and something healthy essence, and then he shot that essence into these parts, and also I did a suction and blood came out also from that little bit pokey kind of thing. Anyway, so last night I took out the pass, you know, the minty sticker thing, and I feel so much better today. Yeah, my friend, like, he told me how great that was, but I didn't really like because I didn't experience, so I'm like skeptical or whatever, or I didn't feel much when I heard about it, right? And I also wasn't really gonna have that session also for myself, but since, you know, I just asked him how to, like, I asked him like a phone number or a good place, because he goes there, he recommended, so I wanted to share that information, right? And then somehow I started to talk on the phone on Sunday, and then I could feel the doctor, oriental hospital doctor, was so sincere. You can feel his passion, right? I can feel like the passion and the sincerity, and I felt like I wanted to go and, you know, get the treatment from him, kind of feeling for our experience, and so I can, you know, also try myself, and I can just share and also take photo how to get there and all that stuff, right? Anyway, so like the hospital, oriental, that hospital is called Kobugi Haniwan. It's a total, you know, oriental hospital kind of a name. The name's total. Anyway, so that hospital is really nice, really well equipped. But like today, I just talked with that my friend, one of my friend, who's like all into health and well-being, right? So I just was so happy, and I shared, you know, how great I feel today and how light I feel, and also the chuna therapy thing. You know, it's like it's not chiropractic, but it's similar thing. You know, you align the right alignment, your the bone structure or spine, or your cheek, like a bone, or face, or the head or neck, or everything, right? So it was a little bit painful, like he was squeezing my head and this side and that side, and I had to open my mouth, and also he did like pressing this shoulder part and the spine and all this and my leg. Anyway, it was painful, but today, like, I feel like somehow I feel good with my face or my skin or that kind of feeling even, right? So he said he didn't get the chuna therapy because his symptom was not really maybe connected to the bone structure and stuff, so he didn't get it. But he told me also he feels like he said don't you feel like you have a V line, you know, we call V line on our face, right? When I feel like when things are balanced and aligned, then everything like flows right, like a really good flow, right? Flow of chi or blood circulation or whatever, or nutrition, or like taking out the toxins or something. When everything's like flowing well, right? From that suction thing or the structure, like the alignment and everything. So I feel like, oh my god, this is amazing. So I wanted to share the next morning feeling, like, right? So I really highly recommend this oriental hospital doctor, Mr. Choi, the total hospital. Yeah, it's amazing. And also one funny story is, today from my online marketing and also personal development community, we had a conference call, and today the doctor, this is real doctor, eye doctor, he came out. He's like in this our company because as a doctor, we think doctor makes a lot of money and it looks like a great job or something, but he told like how painful that was, and he got like a big student loan, like a debt, right, from his education to become a doctor. And the doctor, you cannot, our online marketing business, online business, like we don't trade our time for money, right? It's like leverage the system and internet and it's like a residual income and automation income by blogging and video and all those things, so like that's why he also got into our business, and he's like a real doctor right now still, right? So he shared his story about how the doctor life is, right? And that really triggered me thinking about this doctor. And then when I talked with my friend about this doctor, he's so sincere and so passionate, and also the price is not high, because usually like oriental hospital, usually the business model is they usually try to sell oriental like herb medicine tonic, because that makes money, right? Because when this doctor, he really takes time to do all this online and all this thing and acupuncture and all this thing, like it's really manual work, right? Yeah, it's like a real manual work. So usually that's why acupuncturist and the moxibustion treatment is not really popular, because it takes a lot of time and energy and it's not a lot of money to make, right? But the people who does it, they are really doing out of really compassion and their passion, I think. So this doctor is amazing. So anyway, the story is he used to have his hospital in Icheon. Icheon is famous for ceramic and pottery. So my friend, he lived in Icheon, and that's why he it's Korean, it's called neighbor. So he neighbored it. So he found this hospital because people were word of mouth, people were recommending it, right? So he went to that hospital and he felt it was amazing. And then anyway, this doctor, he had a property in that the kind of countryside, and he ran his hospital there. And since he was so amazing, he was so great at what he does, so he made money, and then he moved to, not in the central Seoul right now, it's not that central Seoul, but it's like Seongnam area, but still like this hospital equipment is amazing, and really good facility, right? And the price is amazing too, because like he's not into, my friend said his personality is he's not kissing ass, and he doesn't want to charge high money. So maybe people expect like he doesn't want people to be snobby or like wanting too much from him, and he wants to do what he can do best with a reasonable price. So somehow he doesn't want to make a lot of money by charging big money. Then he feels like he will attract some people who's like a little bit snobby or something. So anyway, like it's interesting philosophy, but like I like that. Somehow I like that. He's like very proud, and also he's so passionate, and he gives really sincere treatment, his time and energy and focus, right? So with amazing equipment and his knowledge, he had a lot of pain, so he used for himself, right, to treat himself from the pain. And then he knows how some certain pains are, and he can really relate, and he can treat really well. Anyway, oh my god, I've been like hungry. I didn't eat anything because I wanted to work out with an empty stomach to burn my fat. But anyway, so like that's the story about him. And yeah, the price is really amazing. I like him a lot. He's not the the most maybe very like kissing ass style doctor. He's like if the older lady comes up and like just not well mannered or not like a sensor, like a acting sense, like they are just complaining or something. Then he say, "I cannot treat you, just go," that kind of style. It's funny, right? So anyway, he's like that kind of style. So sometimes he's a little bit. My friend said he might look a little bit, something, Anyway, but I like that about him. I really like that. Anyway, so the price is amazing, and I really recommend for anyone. Maybe for like my situation, I think it was amazing for my situation. Sometimes like there are some doctors that are especially good for this or that. So I think chronic pain, something like my pain side, I feel from my experience, I want to recommend if you have a tight shoulder or body pain and aches and stuff. Anyway, yeah, anyway, I want to share. This is quite long video. Yeah, this is my testimonial that I'm so excited finding out about this doctor and his passion and how effective that treatment was. I feel so light and so happy. Yeah, thank you for checking my video, and talk to you soon. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about health, well-being, freedom, and enjoying life, and be the best version of yourself, and personal development and happiness and all that stuff. Yeah, and my site is happyjiyoung.com. Yeah, I'm gonna blog about this hospital and this doctor. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.